Water, earth, wind, fire, the four elements of nature. Together, they are so much more. The purity of water washes away the stress of tedious living. The earth beneath our feet, with its enduring strength, upon which a new beginning can be built. The wind blowing away the old and bringing with it calm and serenity. The warmth of fire flickering against the midnight sky, giving warmth, giving light, igniting passion